So, in the new vehicle, it's stepper motor. The electric drive for my speedometer isn't working. It's an easy fix. I got the part, but that means I gotta pull the dash, pull the controls, and do a whole bunch of soldering. Got a friend coming up that's an electrician. He's good at soldering and desoldering. I'll let him do that portion of it. But in the meantime, I've got one of these LED displays, heads up displays. And it's actually pretty accurate because I've measured it against my GPS and my cell phone, and it's within a couple clicks, and that's all I need. Let's see what else. Oh, the rat's nest of wires. I'm waiting to put in my fancy big screen. Get rid of this thing. I gotta wait to order I'd like to order the bypass kit. It's like $200. And in the meantime, I'm using this funky little 12-volt system. And it can play TF cards, USBs, and it's got a quick charge. I can bounce through the songs pretty easily. It's going to play. It's going to give me a copyright infringement. Nope. And then what the heck? I've got another standard charging right here. And then I've got the rat's nest of wires. The red one is for my cell phone. It's a quick charge. And then I've got one wire that leads over to this thing. And one up to my El Cheapo Deluxe dash cam. I gotta put one in the back. But that'll be nice and easy to do. And yeah, this is it. Oh yeah, that thing also Bluetooths. Both for playing music and for cell phones. Conversations. Oh, it's a rat's nest, but I'll clean that up when the dash comes off. I can run most of this underneath the dash so it doesn't look like that. And then I can also see about tucking a whole bunch of those wires away.